All right guys, Mark at Detail Solutions. Today we have a 2025 Tesla Model X Plaid in. This customer is getting full front PPF. So that's PPF on those high impact areas like hood, bumper, mirror caps, headlights. And then also for the rest of the vehicle, we're doing ceramic coating, which is gonna help with maintenance and then also some added protection. Last but not least, this customer is also doing ceramic heat rejection tint all the way around. So gonna cut the heat and add some UV protection for the people inside along with your dash and interior. So stay tuned. So we're wrapping up the ceramic coating on the Model X behind me. Again, ceramic coating is gonna add a little extra layer of protection to it. It's gonna make it super glossy and make maintenance really easy. It's also gonna help with your plastics on the car, help protect those from fading out and cracking. So again, if you're interested in ceramic coatings, look online or give us a call. All right, last but not least for the Tesla, this customer opted for our ceramic tint. We always suggest a ceramic tint for our Tesla owners. You know the Teslas have that massive glass roof and the huge windows, so heat and glare quickly build up in those cars. And the ceramic tint is gonna block those harmful UV rays and rejects the infrared heat. It's gonna keep you cooler and safer as well as protect your interior from fading and cracking for years to come.